Welcome to OTS. This is the impact tester. Now let's talk about how to installation first. First, we have to take out the package, right? We have the computer, printer, and the matter for protect, right? And they, as you can see, there are two. They are too tall. This one is a small one. The maximum is 250 joule, right? And this is the big one. Can do the maximum. Can do the 500 joule, right? So it depends on your sample. What is the maximum? It depends on your sample to choose the tool, right? And first, let's choose the small one. This one is 250 joule, right? And how to make this tool fix on the machine, right? Okay. Yeah, remove this one. Remove this one first. Yeah, remove this one. And
后用这个扳手的紧死。好，对，可以了。
yeah, use the tool to fix it. Right? We have to use the tool to fix it. Pendulum. Yeah. Okay, and they have some.
然后按照数据，打印机及电脑配套式。
Yeah, we have finished to fix the pendulum, the small one, 250 joule. Alright, we have fixed this one. And now, the second step, we have to connect the power and connect the computer and printer. Yeah, how to installation of this machine. As you can see, there are four holes, right, on the bottom. So we advise you to make it 4 holes on the floor. The depths we advise to make 20 centimeter, and then put this tool on the floor, right, and make this hole through on this bottom to keep the machine to do the test, not be movable. Yeah.
往这摆。假如你要建反的话，它是往这摆。
Yeah. After finish the installation of the power line, and then go to the chamber, go to the machine, and we can control the machine by the computer software, and I also can control by this device. Yeah, as you can see, that's to do the that's to make the pendulum swim up. 扬尘. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
If happen this situation, that means the first line we need to change the position. It's not the right position. So Right? This is the wrong situation. Okay, we have to change the faceline position. Yeah, let's go to change the faceline position. Yeah. Yeah. They are, as you can see, there are three faceline. We only need to change the position for each of two line. Yeah. Now we change the yellow and the red line. Change the position. Yeah. To make the face line be the red position. After change the position, now let's try run the machine again, and to check whether the machine can do the right action, swimming up. Yeah, this is now is the right action. Yeah, this is the right action. If yeah, so we have finished this installation of the power line successfully.